Hi there, I'm going to show you how to install the Open Broadcaster software on Mac. Please go to the link that I have attached on my description, and then this is the page that you are going to see. Now you can choose the download option here by selecting the operating system and then click download install. Now the file will be downloaded into your Mac and then click to open it. Right, now drag it to here, to applications. Alright, now in your launchpad you are able to see your OBS software. Okay, click open. Right, now it is asking for permissions. You have to provide OK here for access the microphone, and then it asks us for several permissions. You can go to check those permissions by searching on your settings. Let's search for permissions. Right, it is not showing here. We have to search for privacy. Please search for privacy settings, and then go to there. Now you are able to see here OBS is allowed in microphone,